Hello everyone, I feel PinChat today. Here we're gonna teach you how to utilize room details to enhance your chat service quality. After clicking into any room from the room list, you'll see a list of room details on the right side. You will find the room name at the top, along with the date and time when the link was created. Next, you can see the search button. Clicking it will display a search bar, allowing you to search for messages within this room using any keyword. There is also a notification option. If you switch it on, you will receive incoming message notifications from this room on your desktop browser. Otherwise, you will receive nothing. Additionally, if you want to receive incoming message notifications even when you close the browser, please turn on this switch. You will still receive notifications from your OS notification system. The coming one is chatbot switch button. Turn on to let the chatbot reply according to your settings. Once turned off, you can take over the chat. The green button labeled Export Chat Log allows you to download a text file containing the entire chat history for this room. Status is used to notify your clients about the online availability of the customer service team in this chat link. If you switch it on, they will see a green dot at the top of the chat room. Otherwise, it will be gray. At the bottom of the room details, you can see all the members. I want to emphasize one special feature here, called Auto-Detected Guest Location. PinChat can auto-detect the country and city of the guest, which helps the link owner to understand the background of the guest better. Lastly, PinChat provides multiple language interfaces for link owners. You can check the left menu in the dashboard for language options. We will keep updating the supported languages in the coming days. Please follow our social media or check the dashboard for updates. Utilize the room details and multiple language interfaces to enhance your customer service team further.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.